Tired of guessing how much data you've used or what exactly your Cricket wireless plan covers? Let's unlock the secrets to your account and stay in control. Hey everyone, and welcome. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to access your Cricket wireless phone plan details so you can track your data usage, understand your plan features, and manage your billing information with ease. Let's dive right in. First, locate the Cricket wireless app on your smartphone. It's usually a blue icon with the Cricket logo. Tap on it to open it. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Cricket wireless username or phone number and your password. If you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the app's main dashboard. Look for the Account tab or icon. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to access your account overview. On the account page, you'll find a wealth of information. Look for sections like data usage to see how much data you've used in the current billing cycle. The plan details section will show you the specifics of your plan, including talk, text, and data allowances. Also, be sure to check the billing information section to view your current balance, payment history, and upcoming due dates. Within the plan details, you can verify exactly what your plan includes. For instance, you might see unlimited talk and text, along with a specific data allowance, like 10 gigabytes. It's also where you'll find information about any add-in features you may have, such as international calling or extra data. Keep a close eye on your data usage to avoid any overage charges. The app usually provides a visual representation of your data consumption, making it easy to track your progress throughout the month. Finally, review your billing information to stay on top of your payments. You can view your current balance, payment history, and even set up automatic payments for added convenience. And that's it. By regularly checking your Cricket wireless app, you can stay informed about your phone plan, manage your data usage effectively, and avoid any surprises on your bill. Now you're in control. Thanks for watching.